attitude of robot buttons. I thought this was mean at first, but then I understood. What are you pressing?
I understand.
Hi! I get to choose if I want to be a monster. A robot? Wait, robot? Where's small robot? Oh. Breathing is kind of a thing that doesn't happen though. Inhaling, exhaling. Right, it's a very non-robotic thing. Right. I'm the big robot to your little robot, Moko-chan. Yeah, small robot. Hi. That's what's gonna be happening at our birthday. Robot stuff? No robot stuff. No robots are invited to our birthday. No. No. Oh. No, it sounds like we're excluding no Moko-senpai. No! No! All the robots minus no Moko-senpai. I love Roboco-senpai. Yeah. Cecilia, she's not a robot. She's not a robot. She's automaton. I don't know though. An automaton, is it closer to a robot or a doll? Or is it just an automaton? It's a Cecilia. Automaton. Wait. Automaton. Automaton. I always wonder, am I pronouncing it right? A tomato. Automaton. Automaton. It's okay.